In this video, we'll show you how to easily install and use the FLYght Deco UV LED insect light trap, ensuring your space is free from annoying flies. The FLYght Deco is designed for simplicity and efficiency. Let's get started. First, let's note the FLYght Deco's parts. You'll find the trap housing, the power cord, the glue board, and the BioV Plus insert. When you receive the trap, ensure all components are present and undamaged. Now let's install the glue board in the slot at the back of the trap. Slide the glue board into the provided slot, ensuring it's securely in place. The glue board should not project beyond the height of the trap. Next, we'll install the BioV Plus insert, which enhances the UV wavelength and intensity and attracts flies to the FLYght Deco. Simply slide the BioV insert into the designated slot where it should fit snugly. Now let's decide where to place your FLYght Deco. For best results, position it in areas where flies are commonly seen, about 1.5 meters above the floor. Avoid direct sunlight or strong drafts or places with other light sources. Connect the power cord of the FLYght Deco and plug it into a standard power outlet. The UV LEDs will illuminate the BioV Plus insert, indicating the FLYght Deco is now operational. Maintenance and regular glue board replacement. Regular maintenance is very crucial for optimal performance of the FLYght Deco. Check the glue board periodically. When it's full of houseflies, you need to replace it. To replace the old glue board, slide it to remove it and insert a new one in the same slot. Remove the BioV Plus insert every 6 months and replace it to maintain peak performance. Cleaning and care. To keep your FLYght Deco looking its best, gently wipe it down with a soft dry cloth. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or liquids. And that's it. You successfully installed and are using your FLYght Deco. Enjoy a high fly-free environment with this stylish and effective solution from Pestronics Innovations. For more information or to purchase your FLYght Deco, visit our website or contact us today. Thank you.